What the heck? I just looked up and that's what I see. Just open the windows for the day. I guess it snowed all night. I heard it raining before I went to bed.
Yeah, buddy.
Boom. Wowzers. Was not expecting that this morning, especially in March. Dude, what a trip. Arizona, you tripping me out, man. You tripping me out. Over an ambulance. All full of snow right there. Dropped it.
If you know it's gonna snow, which obviously I didn't, you wanna put your windshield wipers up. That way they don't freeze down. Just as important as your windshield, make sure you wipe off your tail lights.
All right. Doesn't really feel that cold. It's actually still actively snowing right now. It's March, which is cool. Let's see here. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's probably gonna start melting. It's about 35 out. There's Brad. Let's get moving.
Let's get on out of here. Good thing the old over ambulance got 4-wheel drive. It is in fact actively coming down. Flinging the freaking snow off these big old tires. It's getting flunked. Flunked all over the overambulance. Woo! Hit that tree and knocked it all down too. It's beginning to look a lot like this. But it's March in Arizona. Horse is like, what's going on? My jacket, I need my sweater. Dame una fuera. Don't do it, little car. But have a self-tater. Brand new windshield wiper got a blowout on it. Why do you do this to me, Jesus? Why you doing? It's all good. It'll work as much as it can. One time in the ambo, I was in Flagstaff coming out of Home Depot, and just to mess around, I gave it a little gas and broke the wheels loose and did an old 180 and slid into a curb. I was like, that was a lot of weight. I could feel it. The way it hit the curb, it was like, brrr. And I was like, yeah, let's not do that again. It's melting. Oh, it's melting, it's melting. Little song, little dance, Batman's head on lights. As we get into Prescott, it'll probably be a little more icy, maybe a little more snow left, because although they do plow, it's a couple degrees colder usually. This whole time I've had my ambo plugged in under the barn. Thought it was over, so I unplugged it. Battery probably got cold last night, my lithium battery, because I didn't have the diesel heater on last night. I was in the house. Que sera, sera. C'est la vie. Actually slightly late for work. I don't think I am. Actually, what time is it? Nope, I'm not. Thought I was, though, because I wasn't expecting to have to brush the snow off the winters. Dang, sounded all inbred right there. I like them biscuits and mustard. Right now. Remember that movie, Sling Blade, with Billy Bob Thornton in it? What you doing with that mower blade? I aim to kill you with it. We might want to call me an ambulance. Right, man. Put in that Willy Wonka song. I wish I could put that in, but they'll flag me. Not with these dang tires making all that noise. Sound like we're getting carried off by a drone. But these tires have been amazing. I ain't even gonna lie. Little mud grapplers. They just grapple the mud. Makes me think of two old boys in singlets. One named Nitto and the other one is Mud. And they just gonna grapple. Old school grappling match. I'm gonna check his oil. I'm gonna check his oil, Paul. I don't know why I went straight to that. I feel bad for people who got to ride with me for long periods of time. They're probably like, man, I need a break. Talking damn hole in my neck. This is where it's always super open, and I show you guys, like, off to the right will be the mountain, and so it'll be like a meadow and then the mountain in the background. All both directions, actually. But usually when I'm on my way to work, it's the sun's coming up on the left side, which would in turn mean I am headed south. Because the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. I got to drive down to Phoenix today too. And what's crazy about that is nothing really, to be honest, but my vans are rear-wheel drive. So, yes, the ambo is, but it also has four-wheel drive capabilities and aggressive tread tires. But my work van is got, well, I guess they're all weather passenger van tires. This is awesome. Like, normally during the day, there's so many people on the road. I don't know if they're all like, yeah, I'm not coming to work. But I'm making it to work in amazing time. And I don't feel like I'm really driving
think they said they were built around 1903, 1905. They were the officers' quarters, because this is Fort Whipple. They're doing work on them finally. Isn't this beautiful though? Some of these buildings are massive. The one we're in is not so much. We haven't officially moved into it completely yet, but a couple of the guys are in it. And lady. Yes, that's a smaller one. That's the one we're in. That's oddly enough the same van that I drive. Mercedes Sprinter van that you saw parked on the side of the road. So let's get our van and get on the road. Yeah, buddy. Hey, thanks for watching this video, guys.